Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on automatic call recording system in your Android phone. So please keep watching this video till the end to learn this full process. And also subscribe to our channel to get more this types of important videos. So let's get started the video. In this video I'm gonna show you two simple way to record your phone call in your Android device. So in first method I will show you how to enable call recording from your system's application, okay? But if you don't have these settings in your Android system, then don't worry. In the second method I will show you how to enable automatic call recording by a third party application, okay? By the second method you can enable automatic call recording in any Android device. So friend, without wasting time, let's move to the first method. So first of all, open your phone application from your Android device. After that, here click on three dot option, then go to settings. Here you need to just click on call recording option. After that, you can see there is option automatically record. Just enable it. Click on always record. From this option you can also record a specific number call, okay? I'm gonna enable it. Click on always record, then click on choose contact. After that, choose your specific number, which number's call you want to record all time, okay? So friend, like this way you can record phone call from your default system phone application. But if you don't have this call recording option on your default phone application, then let me show you the second method. By this second method you can enable automatic call recording in any Android device. So first of all, you have to install the application from your Play Store. So go to the Play Store and search here automatic call recorder. Install this first one. After that, open this application. Now select language and click on start. Here you can see they recommend us for using headphone while calling to get a clear sound, okay? So here click on next. Now enable this all permission. Enable this overlay option also. Click on OK. And enable this overlay from the settings. Now click on grant. Then click on continue with ads. If you get ad, just close it. As I already record some call, here you can see all recorded call. From here you can play your recorded call. So if you here switch to the left side, you can see here your all settings. Make sure this call recording option is enabled. If you want to, you can also disable notification from here. Here you can see recording time limit settings. So from here you can select your recording time limit. After that, you can see there is another option, auto delete recording. If you don't want to delete your recording automatically, then keep it as it is. Then make sure this increase call volume is enabled, okay? That's it. Now when you are going to call anyone, this call will be recorded automatically. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any tech related queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.